What's going on, everybody? It's your boy, the chosen one with the golden tongue. La 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 la. Usinashti, Mr. Never Ashamed. So honestly, thank yourself, baby. And I'm back on your screens. If you see me back on your screens, there is a very important message that I came to bring to you, people. And listen, this message is from God through my mouth to your ears. So take heed to the message today. Listen, that message simply is, people could not mess with the chosen ones and just think that they could just get away with it. Let me repeat myself. People cannot just play around with the chosen ones and just act like karma is not about to get their ass. You get what I'm saying? It's true. Chosen ones, you might not know this. But if you look in your phone and in your phone book, you got a number named Karma and you got her on speed dial. You feel what I'm saying? And she's waiting for the moment you call upon her name, to go get who she gotta go get. You can't just hurt a chosen one and think that life is gonna be all peaches and cream for you. Guess what? You thought wrong. And if you're not a chosen one and you're watching this video, yes, I'm talking about you. You damn Decepticon, you damn Deceptioneer. We all know all you do is what? Say it with me. Practice the art of deception. And trust me, chosen ones, we see through all that. Chosen ones, our eyes are so open to all the bull ish that y'all try to pull. We up on it. We've been there, done that with y'all. Back in the past, we probably would have let it slide because we didn't know ourselves too much. So we let you play your little game, feel me? Because we also did love. We also loved you so much. Like, we have so much undying, unconditional love for people, other human beings in our reality, that sometimes we forget about our own self. We forget about our own goals. We forget about our own passions. But guess what? Your boy C Nashti is here to remind you of your passion and to remind you that, guess what? If somebody did you wrong in the past, if somebody did you wrong just yesterday, if somebody did you wrong 5 seconds ago, they cannot get away with it. Chosen one. Your angel guides, God, your spiritual ancestors are always, and I repeat, always looking out for your best interests. So even if it seems like somebody's winning at the time and you're taking an L, you're taking a loss, always remember this, chosen one. The L in loss stands for lesson learned. You learned a lesson, and a very vital one, on the way in your journey. You know what I'm saying? You learn the red flags to look out for when around people who you believe are Decepticons, where people you believe are Deceptioneers. Because you see that what they're practicing the art of deception, so obviously they must be on that type of time. You know, it's not rocket science. You know? Chosen ones out there, people are gonna try to do you wrong day in, day out. You'll notice it. You'll notice something a little strange with the way people are acting. You'll notice a little strangeness in the way they look at you. You know what I'm saying? But let me tell you something, chosen one. We have a particular reason for being here on this earth. And that's to bring light. That's to bring awareness to other chosen ones out there, other earth angels, you know, other star seeds. Other people who are here trying to make a difference in their life, and not just their lives, but in everybody else's. You feel what I'm saying, chosen one? Chosen ones, I've been hurt many times. My heart has been broken. I mean, shattered, soul shattering. You know what I mean? I've been through the worst pain. I had to literally stop and think about it. Yes, the worst pain, chosen one. But you know what I did? I didn't seek revenge from the people who brought that pain to me. No. I actually thanked them. You know? I remember my ex. She broke my heart so bad. Literally broke my heart, hoped I died, and stuck a needle in my eye. You get what I'm saying? And the last time I spoke with her, last year, I expressed to her how I wanted to thank her for the pain and the humiliation that she brought to me. in my life because it made me into more of a man that I am today. It made me garner so much love for myself that I gave to her. I put her on a pedestal, and I put other people on pedestals, and I forgot about myself. I forgot about my dreams, my passions. I forgot about all that stuff due to the simple fact that I forgot who I was. But let me tell you something, chosen ones. Don't let anybody, and I mean anybody, let you feel or let you think that you're not worthy, chosen ones. Because guess what? If you are breathing, if you woke up in the morning, you're worthy. Feel me? And somebody around you is gonna try to make you feel worth less. So what you gotta do is get away from them ASAP. Believe it. And you can't seek revenge on these people. That's the other thing. That's the main part of this video. Is don't seek revenge on the ones who did you wrong, chosen ones. No. Karma has swift justice. You get what I'm saying? Swift. You don't have to go seeking no violent revenge. No, you go seek success revenge. Feel me? Somebody left you in the past. They left you in the dirt. They said, you're not worthy. And they threw you in the trash with all the other pieces of trash. And then what did you do? You dusted yourself off. You said, I'm not a piece of trash. And you did what you had to do in your life to make yourself a better person, to make yourself a better man, a better woman. Right? You don't go seeking revenge. You get the success, and then you let them show you that the revenge is there because they want you back. And what are you gonna do? You're just gonna deny them because of what they did to you in the past. Why would you build up all this stuff for yourself, all this positive attributes, and then just give it to them as soon as they come back? Just go back into the old habits. It doesn't make psychological sense, player. Think about it. It doesn't. So what you gotta do is make sure you remain steadfast in your path and on your journey. Okay? You have to make sure you stay grounded in your emotions before somebody takes you out of your character. Because I'm telling you, chosen ones, it is easy to get brought out of character if you don't have the correct insights, if you don't have the correct spiritual aspects on demand. For real, I'm dead serious. If you don't stand for something, you can fall for anything. And people are always trying to trick you in this realm of reality. They're trying to trick you out of your power, make you feel like you actually have no power when you have all the power, chosen. Believe it. Believe it. Believe me when I tell you. All right, chosen one, listen, I'm gonna get back to work trying to save my state. But I hope you're still watching. I hope you still like the video. If you like the video, hit the like button. It's not hard and it's free. If you like the character, Mr. Never Ashamed, so honest, thank yourself, C Nasty. Hit the subscribe button. I'm a nice guy. I don't bite. Feel me? I'm gonna get back to what I do. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Here comes the outro. I don't know if I'm gonna do it. There's a lot of people around. I'm gonna just do it silently. It's your boy, the chosen one with the golden tongue. La la la. C Nasty, Mr. Never Ashamed. So honestly, thank yourself. Voila.